has denied inspection and admissions for our college, and has denied inspection twice, and it is the highest body of India, and so our college does not have permission to have seats, but still our classes are going normally, our exams are going normally, and NMC has told KNRUHS to reallocate us as fast as possible, and in fact they are supposed to reallocate us last month itself, but because of this delay and because KNRUHS is not giving any information, no transparency about our reallocation, we are not able to manage, and that's why the solution we need right now is justice to be not delayed as much as possible. We need fast reallocation of our seats from KNRUHS. It is KNRUHS responsibility to reallocate us as fast as possible, because we will not be able to write our first year exams in this college because it doesn't have permission, and we don't want it to be delayed. So we ask KNRUHS to reallocate us as fast as possible. That is all that we want, and we want our seats as fast as possible. Until we get our seats as fast as possible, we will keep protesting and revolting and not writing our exams.
We were basically allotted seats in March, and NMC did a surprise inspection in all these three colleges, and they found a few lapses in all these colleges, and they cancelled the admissions of first year MBBS and first year PG students who were allotted. They cancelled it after the admissions, but they also gave the direction to KNRUHS to reallocate these students to other colleges. But KNRUHS, under the influence of all these colleges, is not reallocating us. It's been over 2 months, and we don't have seats. We the students, we were preparing for this thing since 3-4 years. There are students who even prepared for NEET exam for 5 years, and after finally getting into an MBBS college, KNRUHS says that we don't have seats. They cancelled our seats, and NMC cancelled our seats, and they directed KNRUHS to transfer us to other colleges. But KNRUHS is not doing it. We want reallocation. These colleges, they don't have proper facilities. NMC is right, NMC is not wrong. These colleges don't have proper facilities according to NMC's rules. They don't qualify all their requirements. So NMC is right. KNRUHS, under the influence of colleges, is not taking the action. They are not reallocating us. NMC gave all the guidelines 2 months back in May. They cancelled our admissions on May 18th. It's been almost 2 months, but they are still not reallocating us. It's KNRUHS and the state government's responsibility to transfer us in other colleges, but they are not doing it. It's been over 2 months. Our time, it's wasted. We were already admitted late, and now it's been over 2 months. We need reallocation now. And we have final exams in January, and if they waste our time like this, then how do they expect us to study, and how do they expect us to give exams in January? We want our seats. We deserve it. We paid for it. We worked hard for it. We deserve it. We want our seats. That's what we are asking from KNRUHS. I was admitted in MNR, but 3 colleges got their permission cancelled: MNR, TRR, and Mahavir. And all of these 3 colleges apparently does not qualify the requirements given by NMC. They did a surprise inspection. So they found there were many lapses. There were no patient intake, and they found many lapses. Faculty was not there. 60% faculty deficiency in MNR, and after all these things, they said the students who were admitted in these colleges, they must get reallocated. But KNRUHS is still wasting our time. It's been over 2 months since NMC gave the guidelines.
All of us parents have assembled here to seek justice for our children. NMC has cancelled the letter of permission for 3 medical colleges after the admissions have started, and after the students have attended the classes, started attending classes and also taking internal exams. This is grave injustice to the students. Whatever penalty they wanted to give to the college, it has actually got transferred to the students now. As you can see here, all of us are sitting on the roads, both parents and students. All we need is a clarity on where are our students going to end up. where are our children going to end up? Whether in the same college or reallocate as per the NMC guidelines, it has to be done immediately, because this uncertainty is causing lot of stress both for parents who have sold their properties and paid fees for B category and C category, and for merit students as well. Everybody is under stress, everybody is under uncertainty, they don't know what's going to happen next, and they are really looking forward to the state government to step in and give a proper closure to it. And we request Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Health Minister and NMC to sit together and finally decide something for all of us and do some justice. Thank you.